the maximization of value, high-quality machining, the very best productivity, and high-grade machining. The NC6315 series. The NC6315 series applied CVD coating to improve resistance to chipping and wear, and improved safety while machining by solving trouble that arises when machining cast iron. Furthermore, through the excellent combination of material and chip breaker, the machining capabilities and lifespan were maximized. The MK chip breaker improves sharpness and decreases cutting resistance. Wear resistance and quality grade were improved during high-speed and continuous machining, while the supporting surface was designed to be wide for stable machining, improving unexpected breakage and chipping in the cutting-edge area. The RK chip breaker, with its wide land and supporting surface, by providing outstanding toughness and resistance to damage in high feed, high depth of cuts, and high interruption fields, the cutting edge's machinability and optimized toughness ensures an improved resistance to chipping and a stable tool life. Diverse cast iron parts can be applied to the NC6315 series, and a stable anti-fracture capability was secured even in cast iron workpieces that are interrupted often, unstable and shaky equipment, and work environments with high feed, high interruption. KORLOY's new cast iron turning series, NC6300. KORLOY.